different data types in SQL. Now here it might change from platform to platform. Here we are talking about MySQL, but maybe in Microsoft SQL or Oracle DB, there might be more, there might be less. But trust me, 95 to 99%, it will be same. Okay. For example, there is the numeric data type, which you can use in SQL. Numeric data types are bit, 0 and 1, tiny int, small int, integer, big integer, decimal value, numeric value, float, and real. There is date and time data types, which is date, time, date time, timestamp, year. So this one is, the range is from 1901 to 2150. Next, there is character and string data types. There is char, there is varchar. How many of you know what is fixed length and variable length? What is fixed length? Let's take this. Okay, let's say this is Akhil Timaya. What is the length function in Excel? What is len? Okay, good. Len. So the name Akhil Timaya is first of all a string data type, okay, and it has 15 characters. That means it is occupying 15 characters memory, correct? It's occupying 15 characters memory. Okay. Now, let's say I had defined this as character of fixed length. So this is a string data type, right? String data type. And I had defined this as this particular column as char, which is fixed length. Fixed length, it can go up to 30. Okay. And what does 30 mean? 30 means it can store maximum of 30 characters. Okay. In the first one, I have defined my customer name as fixed length character 30. Now here, if you had to check the length, right, the length will be 30. Okay. Here, the length will be 15. Why is it called fixed length? Is because no matter how many characters this string has, a fixed length will always allocate 30 bits of memory to it. Even if you say just A, it will still have 30 bits of memory assigned to it. And variable length, the maximum allocation is 30, but it will allocate only the number of characters memory. Right? It is the space stored before the data for allocation of the data. Fixed length means no matter what, even if it is blank or whatever, there is always going to be 30 characters memory stored. Okay. Variable length is, it's dynamic. Depends on the number of characters you write. That is the difference between char and varchar. Okay. Now, char and varchar is supported in MySQL, which can go up to 8,000 characters. There's something called varchar max, which is not supported in MySQL. It is supported in Microsoft SQL Server. Okay. Then there is text. We have binary data types. Again, binary, variable binary max. You can store images in the form of binary values. Then there is miscellaneous data types, which is binary large objects, XML data, JSON. This is the Java for it. Then XML, I don't know if you go to any web page and press F12. You see have you tried it? Go to any web page and press yes, right? So that's an XML format that you see of how the web page is rendered. So you can store that kind of data also.